Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your LinkedIn city on your PC with the new update. It's a quick and simple process that helps keep your profile up to date, especially if you've recently moved or want to target a different location for networking opportunities. First, open LinkedIn on your browser and log into your account. Once you're on your homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This is where you access your profile settings and account options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account preferences, where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn profile. In the Settings menu, find and click on Account Preferences. Under this section, you'll see an option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Click on this to open the page where you can update your personal details. Now, you'll see your current city listed. Click on your city and a drop-down or search box will appear, allowing you to choose a new location. Simply type in the city you want to set and select it from the options. After selecting your new city, don't forget to click Save to apply the changes. Your LinkedIn profile will now reflect your updated location, making it easier for recruiters and connections to find you based on your current city. And that's it. Changing your LinkedIn city on PC with the new update is straightforward and only takes a few moments. Keeping your profile information accurate is key to making the most of your LinkedIn experience, so be sure to update your location whenever necessary. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick LinkedIn tips.